Hi everyone, let us understand what is Power Platform. So, Power Platform is a technology. It is a low-code platform as a service developed by Microsoft. It allows users to create a custom business application, automate process. So, whatever the business needs, everything can be done with a Power Platform. That is why they named it as a platform. So, as I told, this is a platform as a service. So, we call it as a PaaS. Okay, so this is platform as a service. This Power Platform is a platform as service which provides the complete business solution for all the business needs. So what are the business solution? It involves these five important technology. So one is a Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agent, and Power Pages. So what are these things? Power BI. So, what is Power BI? So, Power BI is a technology which is used for data visualization. So, this is used as a business intelligence tool. Basically, this Power Platform is developed by Microsoft. Okay, so with this Power BI, we can connect to various data sources. We can transform and clean the data, and we can create an interactive visualization and reports and share with everyone. So basically, Power BI is a visualization tool. Then what about Power Apps? So Power App is a platform which is developed by Microsoft, which allows us to create a custom business application for various devices and platform. So with App, we can create our own application. That is app, mobile app or tablet app, like that. Okay, it's a simple drag and drop interface which is created, like we can, anybody who even doesn't know what is coding, they can create an application with drag and drops, few clicks, few small business logics. So even here we can connect with various data sources. So this is basically to design an application, and this is to create a visualization. Okay, and create a dashboard, share it with everyone. So what is a Power Automate? Power Automate is to automate any business process. For example, if you are doing any boring stuff, that is a repeated stuff again and again in your business, then you can easily automate it. Okay, it is basically a workflow automation platform which allows us to automate repetitive tasks and process across application and services. So we can combine this Power BI, Power App, Power Automate, everything in a single application. So that is what here the idea here is. Okay, so what is that automating stuff? For example, if you want to write a data entry to send a mail, for example, if a new joinee has joined in our company and the name is added in the database, then automatically a mail should trigger to everyone, as a everyone that a new joinee has, like new member has joined our team. Okay, likewise creating a calendar event, there are many more. Okay, like getting an approval request. So Power Automate can integrate with wide range of Microsoft and third party services such as SharePoint, Dynamics 365, Salesforce, everything. And this is about virtual agent. So what is this virtual agent? So Power Virtual Agent is a chatbot development platform which allows us to create a natural language based chatbot for customer services and other use cases. So with Power Virtual Agent, what we can do is what we can develop a chatbot. Okay, so it allows us to create a chatbot without writing a single line of code by using a drag and drop option interface. So with Power Virtual Agent, we can build a chatbot that can understand and respond to the customer queries, and we can help them to troubleshoot and provide more information. Finally, we have Power Pages. So what is it? Power Page is actually it's not an official feature. Okay, like Power Platform, like we have. So, but Power Pages is used to create a custom pages. Okay, gradually we started using all these things. So Power Pages is like if you wanted to create a web page, So you can do it with a Power Page, which can be integrated with into our business, and also it can be integrated with various applications like Power BI, Power App, etc., etc. So these all are the important technology which is in Power Platform. So Power Platform has all these technologies. So already we have discussed about the complete learning path for Power BI. Okay, you can check it in my previous video. So in the next video I'll be showing you how you can start learning Power Apps, and I'll also tell you how to start learning Power Automate, Power Virtual Agent, and Power Pages. So the complete life learning path I'll be sharing with you. And if you want to know about what are the books to refer, what are the links to refer, so comment it books or comment link. So whatever you want to learn in these technology, you can just comment it. I'll be definitely helping you out. So thank you, take care, bye bye.